All right, here we go again. This one's 14 and a half. Put another one over here. And put one down at the bottom. Okay. Now, oh, my knees. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my knees. Oh, I should have wore long pants. Oh, ooh, ow, ooh, ow. Those knees have been through some stuff, boy. All right, here we go again. Got the board, the straight. I call it a straight. That's what it's called. You can use a yardstick. You can use... Actually, this is 4 foot long. So we're going to go like this. Make sure you keep it right next to that wood. Or you're straight, should I say. And then you slide your hand down so it don't move out of the way. And go like that, all the way down. Boom. Alright, so, same thing again. Notice it's not all the way through. Just like drywall. Boom. Then you fold it in like that. Keep it nice and tight. Run the blade. If you open it up, it's going to get off the line. Look at that. Perfect. Perfecto. Alright, so now we have accomplished putting all the insulation in there. And now we're going to tape it off just like this on that end. Oh look, we got a little wire sticking out there. Don't worry, I'm going to have furring strips. Then I'm going to put a little junction box, a little feed-through thing for future maintenance. And then we're going to work on the furring strips, and then we're going to get the ceiling out. So you see, I have to take that off. I finished taping this stuff off. And what I got, here's what I got. I'm gonna just use this stuff right there. That's good enough.